Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE REVIT tutorial. So in this session, we're going to explore more into our architecture tab and windows and elements, okay? So this is the window panel. When you click on this windows, similar to the door tools, you have list of windows already loaded inside to this project here. If you don't have anything here, you can always go to the insert tab and then load family and then find your Autodesk library installed along the way you installed Revit. Okay, so you find the Windows folder, then you will see a list of windows available for you to use in Revit. Okay, so these are all the windows. So just browse through all the elements here to see all these available windows ready for you to use. Okay, and of course, if you don't have the suitable window, you can always create your own family, which is family editor, but it involves advanced modeling techniques. Okay, so we won't go to that detail in this demonstration. Then we would just use the whatever we have here, the basic window type. Then we go to architecture tab again. Then okay, then we measure our windows width. This is our windows 900 mm. Click on this windows here. We select 900 mm windows and 1002 height. Okay, let's use these windows. Click on here, and then from here you can determine the sill height 900 mm from the section view. Let's look at this section. This is the window sill height. It's 915. This is 915. Okay, if you want higher, 1000. So this will be 1000. Okay, so it's very convenient and very easy to use. From the 3D view, now you can see a Windows opening created here with the windows. Then if you want to change your material of the Windows frame and Windows glasses, then you can always go to the Edit tab. Then this is the material and finishes. Let's say I want to click this. Here I change it to be aluminum. Choose this. Apply. Apply. Apply, then okay, then you can see your material change to aluminum now. Okay, so very easy. Okay, then we continue to do our next windows, which is this one. Now we measure our window width. This is 1100 width. Okay, then we can right click here, then create similar. Then from the drop down list, if I don't have the suitable size here, you can duplicate, edit type, and then duplicate to create your own size, window size 1100. And then of course remember to change this to 1100 width. Now from the drop down list, you have one more additional family, which is 1100 times 1220 mm window size. Okay, just hover your mouse over here, then click somewhere here to place your windows, then change your sill to 1000. Now from the 3D view, you have two windows available now. Okay, So from this here, okay, this is the Lewis windows, which is involve much more advanced techniques of modeling. I will go through that in future, okay, including this sliding door, which is the advanced modeling. So we'll go through that later, okay. So this one, now we have one sliding door, sliding windows. Okay, we can use this facade tool, which is the curtain wall tool, to complete these windows over here, okay. So you can go to the wall, then from the property palette, scroll it down, then this is the curtain wall, default curtain wall. Then of course you need to duplicate it to become your own curtain wall, like what you have done with your brick wall or concrete wall. You always start with duplicate your own type of wall, okay. So this is the sliding window or sliding doors, okay. Then without any changes here, then we just click OK. Then we just try to place the curtain wall over here. Then let's go to 3D view to see what's happened here. So you will see a big piece of wall here that's similar to the wall, but this is a glass wall. Then if you click here, then from the edit type, of course you can add your own mullion, horizontal grid, vertical mullion, horizontal mullion. So horizontal grid, you can set it fixed distance or maximum spacing. I don't want to touch here first. I'm going to add in my grid manually, okay. So vertical mullion, you can change to rectangle mullion. rectangle mullion. Border is I just remain it as 30 mm. Everything 30 mm square mullion. And apply. Okay, now your windows or curtain wall are complete with the mullion. Okay, from level 1 again. Now this is your curtain wall. Then from here, let's adjust my curtain wall size from the section view. Go to view. I adjust my curtain wall size. Okay, this will be fine. Then from top, I just want 3000 or 2800 curtain wall height. Okay, then from the level 1 here again, then this one is supposed to be placed to here. Okay, then one thing we need to do is we need to go to edit type to click on this automatically embedded. Okay, if I don't click this, okay, let's say I move this wall here to here, it will be shown an arrow here which is overlapping. Then you can't see this window which is concealed inside. Okay, so if I click on this automatically embedded, then apply, then okay, then one opening will be automatically formed, a cut here. Okay, so now adjust your windows length. So this is the windows length. Okay, then from the 3D view here, then curtain grid, click on this curtain grid. You can now add your grid, horizontal grid, the vertical grid. Okay, so 2 grids, or you can add your horizontal grid, but if this is the sliding door, you won't have a horizontal grid. Okay, now you have your grid. Then what you need to do is just move the grid here to match to here, and this one move here, go to here. Okay, then so very fast, quickly, then we have completed our sliding door. Okay, then for the windows here, of course there's a windows instead of curtain wall. Then you need to create some sort like wall here to mount your windows. Okay, so what we need to do is go to the wall tool, go back to this brick wall, plaster and paint. Then you draw a wall here. Or this is concrete wall, change back to concrete wall, white wall. Draw a wall here, then you draw a wall here, create similar. Then after you have two walls done, then you can add your windows. Casement windows, or let's load some other windows inside here. Go to the Windows folder and choose whatever windows you like. Okay, let's say this plain double window. Okay, let's choose this, open. Then from the architecture tab, Windows panel, now we have our own windows here, double swing window. Then next thing is measure the width of the windows. 1650. Let's make it to be 1650. Okay. The shortcut key to Windows is WN. Okay, then we need to make our own window size. Duplicate 1650 times 1200 or 1500 windows. Okay, width is 1650, 1500. Then we place our windows here. And then from the 3D view, then you can see this is your windows. Then with a little place here to put your plant over here. It's quite nice and very nice windows. Then just repeat the same here. Pretty similar. You can place your windows over here. Or if you think that this is glass, you can always delete it and create your mullion, create your facade curtain wall over here. Just create similar. Then you draw your curtain wall over here. Then you have your nice curtain wall. Now 3D view, this is the curtain wall. Then we match our height to this. Okay, maybe it's not that high. 2500 would be nice. Okay, then you add your mullion. Go to architecture, curtain grid, click on this mullion here, and click on this here. Okay, then nicely done. Then you can put your curtain over here to form your full height windows. Okay, then of course if you want to raise it up a bit, then you base offset 300. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so that's how you add your windows. And then today we learn how to add in windows and then create our own windows type with duplicate, and then create a curtain wall elements, embed curtain wall, and then to load inside a new type of windows to complete our project. Okay, so thanks for joining for this session. Hope you all find this course is very useful. Then always like us, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, then you can find more on our detailed Revit course on teachable.com. Welcome to learn and improve yourself by learning Revit. Okay, as BIM knowledge is getting more important nowadays, Revit is a very powerful tool in BIM field. Okay, so let's learn Revit together to create value to yourself, and you can get your brighter future. Okay, thank you.